how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can connect your TikTok to Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to connect your TikTok account to your Facebook account, it is actually very simple to do so. Normally what you need to do is, if you want to connect it, now inside, after you log into TikTok account, there is no way to actually connect your Facebook account. You have to connect your Facebook account during the sign up or the sign in process. So what you have to do is just come to the profile page and then here go to login. When you're trying to log into your account, you just have to tap and continue with Facebook. Or even when you're trying to sign up, if you sign up for TikTok using Facebook account right now, your Facebook account is going to get linked with your TikTok account, and that's simply it. Similarly, you can just tap the login option here. You can see this option known as continue with Facebook. You have to tap and continue with Facebook option. Make sure to allow the access, and only then your TikTok account will be successfully connected to your Facebook account. This way you can connect your TikTok account to Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.